let's talk about these headphones. They are really very cool. I'm going to quickly talk to you about the 3 most common concerns I hear about these, as well as the 3 highlights about these that you would want to know, and then you can make a balanced decision for yourself. The most common question is sound quality, right? And that varies a little bit, like between whether you're talking about, sometimes people are concerned with the wireless. Does it lose some fidelity over the wireless compared to a wired headphone? And then also sound quality between brands. I will tell you, my experience with these, the sound quality is very good for what they are. In particular, the bass was really good. I really did enjoy that a lot. This has a high res feature, which really upgrades the fidelity qualities of this. So overall, if you're looking for a really good sounding set of headphones, this is definitely a good answer for that. Another major concern is always battery life. How long is the battery life? And I found the battery life to be unbelievable for these. The brand is saying a 50-hour playtime and an 800-hour standby time. So as much as I love you guys, I didn't sit here and listen to these for 52 hours to see if they died. But I really did wear them on a trip, a short trip that we went on, including an airplane flight, and I didn't make a dent in the power. They were perfect the entire time, so you have no concerns in terms of battery life. The last, and I think the most important thing that people seem to be concerned about, is the active noise canceling. And as I just told you, we went on a flight, and I'm telling you, until you go on an airplane where you used to think it wasn't that loud, and then you put on active noise canceling headphones, oh man, you haven't experienced anything. Like, it is wild to see just how loud that hum of the engines and the mechanical stuff going on. When you cancel it out, it is so quiet, and you're like, I had no idea it was actually this loud in this plane. So it is an absolutely amazing feature, which you certainly want to have, and it did work very well with these. And this isn't one of the top 3 concerns that people have, but I just wanted to say the comfort was really good on these. I really did like them. They were very comfortable to wear. I will share with you one most mild complaint, okay? In terms of a most mild complaint, they are physically a little heavier than other models that I've tried, listened to, that kind of stuff. To me, it's not like all of a sudden they're so heavy to carry around, but I'm trying to give you an honest answer, right? So they are definitely a little heavier, maybe a little more solid than some others that I've tried. Maybe it's because those big 40mm drivers and that bass, that great bass that comes out of it. But in any case, I'm telling you for sure, if you pick up a whole bunch of these in a similar range, these seem to be a little heavier than most, although that battery life, maybe that's what it is. Maybe it just has huge batteries in there, because that battery life is wild. If this kind of content is helpful for you, remember to subscribe, give us a like, and in the comment, talk to me about this. What do you want to know about them? Have you had any experience with wireless headphones? Did you like them, not like them, all that kind of stuff? Put it in the comments below. Let's talk about it. Overall, I'm going to say these are definitely really, really very good, especially at the range that these are at. I think they're absolutely a winner. I hope this has been helpful. We'll see you next time.